Hello there, today is June 11th, 2021, Friday evening night, but I'm going to make soup. I have with me here the onion, garlic, white radish, carrots, and a chunk of beef. And on my right I have the spices. I have cinnamon, star anise, and cumin seeds. What I'm going to do with the beef is I'm going to soak it in a pot of boiling water for 1 or 2 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse off the whole thing. Then only I'll start cooking my soup. I will come back to you shortly. Okay, so this is the fresh water. Earlier I have rinsed off the water that I used to scald the beef. Now I am starting to make my soup. I'm going to boil it for about an hour. I'll show you later.